Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my recipe on meat pie crust or apple pie crust. This video is dedicated to one of my supervisors at my job who have asked that I show her my recipe on meat pie crust after testing one of the pastries I brought to my job. Stay tuned and enjoy. This is going to be helpful. Here in my bowl I have 8 cups of flour. I'm going to add this quantity of salt, not up to a teaspoon of salt, okay? I choose to go in with nutmeg because I want it flavorful. You can choose not to. Just go in with your nutmeg like this. Here's my half stick of butter. Make sure it's a cold butter. I added total of 6 sticks of butter into these 8 cups of. Mix it in like so. There is no sugar in this recipe. Remember, I have a total of 8 cups of flour. Just be gentle with your mixing. So this is it. Don't mix too much like I said. Just a teaspoon of salt for this recipe. Make a well. I want to add some egg. It's your choice not to add, but I like to have some egg in my meat pie. So I have some eggs here, about 7 eggs. So I'm going to take out these yolks. I don't want the yolks. I'm taking those yolks out for health reason. And some people don't add egg. You can choose not to, but I like to have egg in my meat pie batter. I'm going to add my egg like so. All you want to do at this point is keep tossing your batter. You don't want to mix it too hard so you can get the right consistency. If you must know, eggs will help to soften your batter, especially for meat pie and whatever pastry. Okay? And you will have a very delicious meat pie batter. Let me know in the comment section if you like everything I added to this meat pie recipe. Don't work your dough for meat pie too much. Alright? So you can achieve the right texture. And it will come out crumbling and beautiful. I'm going to add some water. You can mix your water and your milk. I added water here. This is 1 cup of water, 1 cup of milk. Add it in gently. Toss your flour and mix your water gently as you go. You don't want to add all the water because you're going to lose the right consistency. You want to allow it crumbling. You want your meat pie dough to come out fluffy, crumbling with a very nice texture, with a beautiful crust, like kind of crunch and tender. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So this is the outcome, guys. Here you can knead on your work surface. You can knead in the bowl. I like to knead in the bowl because this is a small one. And here, the best meat pie crust is ready. So you can always do this. I'll put it in my fridge and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Several minutes later, guys, I'm about to open it up from the nylon, cut them into the sizes so I can start making our meat pie. So this is how it's looking. Can you see the consistency? Cut it in like so. Yes. Look at how beautiful. This is how your meat pie is going to look by the time you are done. It's going to come out crumbling. It's going to come out very yummy, very beautiful. Try this, guys, and let me know what you think in the comment section. So we're going to go ahead and start making our meat pie. Roll it in like so. Flatten it up. You can cut with whatever you choose to. If you have meat pie cutter, go ahead. I have meat pie cutter, but I like old school. So just cut it in like so to any shape of your choice. You can do round shape, you can do square shape, whatever shape of your choice. Just go ahead and get it done. All of those pieces can still be used for anything. This is a perfect meat pie crust, apple pie crust, and any pie that you want to make. I hope this video will be very helpful. Look at how soft that crust is looking. Look at it. So continue the same process. Add little flour to your rolling pin if you need to. So you don't want to add too much so that your crust will not come out hard. You can see our meat pie dough is soft. This is the right consistency and how your meat pie should look. I have a beautiful video that is up right now for meat pie filling. Go and look it up and get a beautiful meat pie filling done for your meat pie recipe. To beautify your meat pie, you just want to go in with your egg wash. Just beautify it with your egg wash. You can either add milk if you want to and get the best out of this meat pie. And voila, meat pie should be ready for eating. Look at how delicious this meat pie is looking. Coach's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful hearts. Thank you all so much for watching till this time. Let's cut in, guys, so you can see how beautiful this meat pie came. Oh, wow. This is filling. Woo, this is so good. Mm-hmm. Guys, go check out this meat pie filling. It came out very delicious. The best meat pie filling ever. Nigerian meat pie filling. Thank you all. Ciao, ciao. See you in my next video.